Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cleo. Messy Haley. Boy, kids, I'm Cleo. I'm Cleo. 1, 2, 3. Hi, hi, hi.
And I'm the camera girl.
Okay, well, anyway. Leave me alone, punk.
Paparazzi.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna look at Cleo's eye. Okay, now open your mouth, Cleo. Okay, that's the dental issue. Okay, now we've got my best friend. His name's Flag. Hey, Flag. Yo, what's up? Now we've got Flag's brother. Yo, sup?
Sup?
Now we've got the Claw.
Claw! It's the claw!
Now we've got the brother.
Hey, kids! Hey, kids!
Now we've got the Bush. Now we've got Cleo. And Cleo's frog. And now we've got Nike.
Hi, guys!
Nike doesn't look like that. Now we've got Mr. Flower. Now we've got Sir Roxer. Sir
Hi,
Roxer.
kids!
Go away, Cleo. Nobody likes you. Now we've got Dog, who I really don't know. Say hi to the camera, Dog. Yeah, that's right, Dog. Now, we've got a jet ski and another jet ski. And the sign of all signs. Attention, boaters. The dock is only for temporary mooning.
It's
mooring only,
Nobody's
no
gonna moon
overnight
you.
mooring. I'm sorry, kids, I messed up. Okay,
Nobody moons on this beach.
that would be funny. Okay, now we've got the water. Now we've got me going into the water. Now it's too cold, so I'm going back. Okay. Now, see, here are my feet.
Some people might be docking the boat.
Now there's some people coming. They're gonna run me over, so I might want to get out of the way. Mr. Rock.
Hi, kids!
Mr. Rock. Grass. Log.
My name's Log the
Log.
Lobster.
Log. Piece of wood. Now we've got some boats. Hopefully I don't throw this in the water. And now we've got the water. And now we're going back. Now we've got the awesome color. Now we've got the rocks. And the rocks. And the sticks. And a log stick that looks like some kind of raft. Okay, now we've got the car and the boat that was about to crush me, so. Good thing I'm not crushed. Now, kids. Now, ow, my leg, okay. Now we've got more flowers. And some cute little dogs. Oh, zoom in. Taking a video. Hi. You want to be in the video?
He's posing for you there.
Hi. You want to be in the video?
You look me a picture taken live.
And now, we're back to the campsite.
This isn't a campsite.
Shut up.
It's an eating area.
I don't care. Egg. Okay. Now we've got Moose Light, my favorite ball. Also named after beer. That I do enjoy. Okay. Now what else do we have? Oh, we have Mr. Fish. His name's Mr. Fish. Isn't that an awesome name?
Hey, is
Now
this
we've got
the shirt that Mackenzie was wearing? In the picture?
Oh, it's not Mackenzie, it's Kennedy.
Oh, wow. Was she wearing that shirt?
Yeah, she's got one too. She copied me. I bought one and she bought one too. Copy her. Okay.
Copycat!
Now, sorry kids, but we're gonna have to wrap up the video after we see a bit more of Cleo's messy hair there.
Hi, kids!
Don't do that. That just makes it better. Which is bad.
Hi, kids.
That's better. Now here's Cleo's shirt, her swimsuit, her lily pad, her
I don't
dragonfly.
got no lily pad. Oh, whoa.
Dragonfly, Froggy, upside down Froggy. He's a fan of Spider-Man today.
He has mental problems.
Exactly, and Cleo's hair. Now this movie didn't really have much to do with Cleo's messy hair, so now it's called the Nature Messy Hair video.
Loser.
Bye kids.